MCQ questions on Pandas for Data Science, Part 1. And welcome to our channel. Answers will be disclosed in the comment section. Which library serves as the foundation for Pandas? Please find the below options. You can pause the video to analyze. What is Pandas? A. A programming language. B. A data manipulation library. C. A machine learning algorithm. D. An operating system. What was the primary motivation behind the creation of Pandas? A. Handling financial data. B. Natural language processing. C. Image processing. D. Web development. Which of the following is the primary data structure in Pandas? A. Array. B. Dictionary. C. DataFrame. D. Tuple. Which command is used to import the Pandas library in Python? Take your time to analyze the following options. What is a series in Pandas? A. One-dimensional labeled array. B. Two-dimensional labeled data structure. C. Three-dimensional labeled data structure. D. Data type in Python. What is a data frame in Pandas? Analyze the options mentioned below. What is the function used to read a CSV file into a Pandas data frame? Take your time to analyze the following options. How do you merge two data frames in Pandas? Take your time to analyze the following options. How do you handle missing values in a data frame? Analyze the options mentioned below. Thank you. Answers will be displayed on the comment section and community tab. Expecting more likes, share, subscribe, comments, and your support.